Good day everyone! I am Mr. Harold M. Martinez. Welcome to this comprehensive PC assembly tutorial video. This is designed to guide you step by step through the process of assembling a personal computer. Regardless of your experience level, this video caters to both IT professionals seeking to refine their knowledge and individuals with the desire to understand the fundamental workings of a computer. This video will equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills. Let's get started! Before assembling a personal computer, you need to prepare the essential tools and materials. Prepare your workplace. In this step, you have to take inventory, make space, make time. Prepare grounding protection, and have the drivers ready. Prepare the motherboard. Handle the motherboard with care. Place it on bag from box. Check motherboard for damage before installing. Read the manual briefly to understand parts. Install the CPU. Unlock the CPU socket and position the CPU by aligning the triangular CPU and socket key marks. Lock the CPU into place. Install the CPU heatsink and fan. Apply thermal paste and install the heatsink following the manual. Secure the heatsink with the clip. Plug the fan connector into the motherboard's fan header. Install memory or RAM modules. Find the memory slots and put the memory sticks in gently but firmly until they click into place. Place the motherboard into case. Carefully position the motherboard on top of the brass standoffs. Line up all the holes and use the screws that accompany the case to fasten down the motherboard. Mount the power supply. The power supply can be mounted inside the computer case using a screwdriver. Connect the power supply. First, plug the large ATX power connector from your power supply into the matching port on your motherboard. Locate the smaller square processor power connector and connect it to the port. Connect also the front panel connectors. Install graphics or video cards. Install internal drives such as hard drive or optical drive. Slide them in after attaching with included screws. Connect the data and power cables. Install the add-in cards such as LAN card or sound card. Find empty PCI slot, remove metal cover at the back of the case, slide card in firmly, screw it down. Return the side panel and close the computer. Connect the peripherals of the personal computer. Attach the monitor cable, keyboard, mouse, network cable, and power cable.